Hello kids, today we will learn different types of air vehicles name. So let's start. Fighter jet, fighter jet. Military helicopter, military helicopter. Private plane, private plane. Parachute, parachute. Mail plane, mail plane. Biplane, biplane. Wind glider, wind glider. Hot air balloon, hot air balloon. Helicopter, helicopter. Space shuttle, space shuttle. Propeller plane, propeller plane. Drone, drone. Agriculture aircraft, agriculture aircraft. Gyroplane, gyroplane. Cargo plane, cargo plane. Sports plane, sports plane. Passenger plane, passenger plane. Military transport aircraft, military transport aircraft. Glider, glider. Blimp, blimp. Drone plane, drone plane. Water plane, water plane. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.